shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Corsicana, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Angus, Barry, Navarro, Lake Halbert, Richland Chambers Reservoir, Navarro Mills Lake, Bryce, Retreat, Oak Valley, Mildred, Eureka, Richland, Powell, Emhouse, Mustang, Corbett, and Purdon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The